Assalamu alaikum and welcome back. Our today's topic is about depression. Because recently one of the Indian actor he attempt suicide and the reason was depression. So I decided to make a one small video. Maybe we can save a life of somebody. So what is a depression? What is reason behind that? And why people attempt suicide? We will discuss about these all topics today. The depression is feeling of sadness for the long time. It is different from the mood fluctuation because mood fluctuation is for the short period of time, maybe one day or maybe for the hours like 1 or 2 hours only. But depression, the mood swimming or sadness feeling will stay for the days, month or sometime number of years. So what we should do and how we can recognize it, maybe it come in your mind. The first we will talk about how we can recognize that this person is really depressed. There is some sign and symptoms to recognize about depression. First of all, the patient or the person have depressed mood. Patient or person is restless. He is sleeping too much or he doesn't want to sleep. He is eating too much or he doesn't want to eat. He is gaining or losing weight unintentionally. His movement and the work is getting slow. He is feeling guilty, like always feel I am doing something wrong or something not happened good with me. And the person he is trying to attempt the suicide or he may attempt suicide or he is thinking about suicide. These are some signs and symptoms where we can recognize this person is depressed. Okay, who is more prone for this disease, male or female? What do you have idea? Tell me in comment. Okay, I will tell you about Center of Disease Control. They are saying the female are having a more depression than the male. What is the reason? In my mind, maybe they are always running behind the things and they are always in the race to win from the other ladies of the community or other ladies of their family. But there is some real disorder also. For example, postpartum. Or for the young girls, when their menses are going to be start, they are having this problem. So these are more two commons in the ladies, but in real the ladies are having a more problem for the depression than male, because maybe they are having a number of responsibilities, the responsibility of the kids, they are having a responsibilities of the families. As in Asia we are having a joint family system, and responsibilities of the parents-in-law or the law's families are to try to keep everybody to be happy, so may increase their depression. This was the reason for the female depression. If we talk about male depression, as per the Psychology Society of United States, 9% male in United States are suffering with depression. What is reason behind the male depression? We discuss about female depression. Now we will discuss about male depression. The male depression is due to working for the long hours without break, using excessive alcohol, avoiding family gathering, using abusive control behavior in relationships, and some other social factors. For example, some of the males maybe they don't have a job proper and they are having a family. So these are the causes for the male depression in United States. Now if we will discuss about causes of depression in general, so there is, until now, there is no specific cause. As I mentioned, there is some causes for the females and some causes for the male. But there is no specific cause until now been diagnosed by the community of medical. So there is some certain factors which cause depression. We can discuss about these factors. The most common factor is genetic factor, hereditary. It shifts from parents to the kids or their grandparents to the kids. So the main factor is genetic factor. The second factor is change in brain neurotransmitters. The third factor is environmental changes. Now we have to discuss how we can resolve or how we can treat this depression. For this also there is three factors for dealing with depression. The first of all is support or moral support. The second is psychotherapy. The third one is medication. If we talk about social or moral support, how we can provide moral support to the depression patient. First of all, we should try to arrange a meeting, one-to-one meeting, and we should try to discuss the problem of person. Maybe the problem was not major, but he was not able to discuss with anybody, or he don't have family around him. Because mostly in the other countries, for example, as we are in UAE or some other countries, they are staying alone. They don't have somebody to discuss. So, first of all, one-to-one meeting. If the patient or person is in the family should provide them support. They should discuss with them the problem. They should try to solve the issue and let them go to the social gathering. Let them change their environment. Let them change their place or location. So these all things will affect his mood and he will be happy. The second support is psychotherapy support. This is also kind of communication, but this communication is like professional communication. The first one was social support or moral support was anybody can provide. But the second support, which is psychotherapy, this is professional support and mostly the psychiatrist is providing. This has around 20 sessions. It can be one-to-one or it can be in the groups. This is also a same dealing, but the professional psychotherapists, they will discuss with the patient, they will ask them problem and they will discuss the maximum what can happen and after happening what is a solution. The same thing which family should do or the friends can do if they are not around the patient, families or friends, the psychotherapists, they are doing the same thing. They are discussing problem with the patient and they are discussing what maximum can happen and after happening what is a solution. So the patient depression is resolved. The third one is about medication. You can see there is lot of medication available for the depression, but few which is most commonly used you can see on my screen. For me, I recommend the best solution for the depression is family. Sit with family, discuss your problem, make a close friend in the family, because if you have a good friend in the family, that is the best thing. If you don't have good friend in the family, really the community will not be good friend for you. So whenever feel depressed, the job is fluctuating, if you are in other country and you are having any problem, try to discuss the best friend in your family or with your partner and try to resolve the issue. Hope this video will be beneficial for all of you. If you really like it, share it with your friends and family and subscribe this channel for further informative videos related to medical. Thank you.